Hey everyone, welcome back to my Powerdirector tutorials. Today, we are going to create this. All materials and footage that I'm using is free to download. Check out in my description box. Please give me a thumbs up after you leaving my channel. Then click the subscribe and hit notification bell to notify for my future uploads. So, let's get started. So, open your Powerdirector app and select the plus icon to create a new project. This project I will call text version. In the first step, put a black background to the timeline. Then create a text. Tap to edit. Select the designer, then tap a font to change the title font. Download this signature font link in my description. Tap layer and select the shining effect. Tap the tool, then select the keyframe. Change the scale to 1. Then tap the blending and select to multiply. Tap the layer and select the intro background footage. Tap the tool and select the blending, then select to screen. Then tap the keyframe and change the scale to 1. Tap the layer again and select the smoke effect. Tap the tool and select the blending, then select to screen. Then tap the keyframe and change the scale to 1. Split and remove all excess clips. Tap the media and select music, then select the intro background music. Tap the smoke effect and decrease the opacity to 60%. And finally 100% is done. Save your project. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.